Hi, I'm Dr. Sivrani Santosh. I'm a pediatrician. So, Covaxin has been approved for children 2 to 18 years of age. Before we proceed further into this discussion, um, one question: does COVID affect children seriously? So, our experience in the past during the first three waves told us that very less number of children get seriously ill with COVID. It's actually less than 1%. And some of them rarely develop something called multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children. Right? Now, so do we welcome this approval for Covaxin or Zydus Cadila vaccine for children? Yes, we welcome it. Why? Why? Because these vaccines do protect against serious illness by COVID. Even if less number of children can get serious COVID, at least we need to protect those children from getting serious illness. Second thing is, once we limit serious COVID or symptomatic COVID, definitely the spread of COVID also will come down. So indirectly we are actually helping the adults as well. Then in that case, should I wait for my child to get the COVID vaccine, then only send the child to school? Should my child who had already got COVID get a COVID vaccine? Okay, firstly, sending to school decision should not be based on whether your child received COVID vaccine or not at this point. At this point, the COVID spread is very minimal, and if the school is following all COVID precautions properly and the parents are also sensible and responsible, I think the risk to benefit ratio would favor you to send your child to school irrespective of the COVID vaccination status. Second thing, if the child had got COVID already, should he or she get the COVID vaccination? I think the rule holds similar to what it had been advised with regard to adults. So yes, most likely we will recommend you to go ahead with the vaccination, but let's wait for proper guidelines to come. Then, do I need to rush for this vaccine? No. You will have to wait. It is going to take time. First, children with comorbidities like heart disease, kidney disease, transplant patients, those with low immune status, these children will be definitely prioritized. So after that only other children are likely to get the vaccine. So we'll have to patiently wait for our turn. And the other thing is, when you are getting the vaccination done for your child, always take an informed decision. Always ask the doctor about possible side effects, possible serious adverse effects, and make sure the team is prepared to handle serious adverse effects. So, the team giving the vaccination should be equipped to handle serious adverse effects, and they should have adrenaline with them in case of a serious adverse effect. So only then, in a controlled setup, you need to get the vaccination done for your child. Okay, fine. So what side effects or adverse effects can I anticipate for my child from this vaccination? So far, all the vaccine trials have said that there was no major adverse event during the trials, and we have seen crores of people being given Covaxin, and the risk of any serious adverse effect is the same as the risk for any other vaccine. So keeping that in mind, you plan for your child's COVID vaccination. I hope I have clarified most of the concerns that may be on the parents' minds at this moment. Thank you.